Struggling to change your toner on the MZ Nova Series? Here's how you do it correctly. Whether it's color or black and white, toner is the exact same steps. Once you open this door, the door will pop open letting you know that it needs to be replaced. Grab it by the little handle here, pull it out. This can go on a number 2 recycling. It's a number 2 recycling toner. Get your new toner out, take it out of the box. You will tap on it several times, shake it up a bunch of times. Slides in with the black down. Slides into the unit, pushes in until it can't go anymore, and the door should close freely. And the door will close. The waste toner bottle is a separate service item. You can order it, but where it is placed, it's on the side of the device. When we open this door up, push this lever, grab it right here, and you pull your old one out. There's a little cover that comes out right here that goes in this, pushes down. This can be tossed. You will get a new one in the box. You will take it out of the box. Black goes towards the back, slides into place. Struggling with other devices or functions? Check out our channel on more how-tos.